Welcome Southern Star Automotive, future customers. We're a 5-star dealership here on Buford Highway here in Duluth, Georgia. And today we've got a 1999 F-250 Super Duty 7.2 liter diesel engine XLT with 145,000 miles. Chrome front bumper. You can find us at 85cars.com, by the way. They're on the front license plate. Here we got chrome aluminum wheels on Michelin tires. They are in good shape. Lots of rubber there. The color is just beautiful. It looks like it just came out of a box. And literally inside and out, the truck is just clean. Super Duty F-250 XLT. This is a super cab. Let me open up the doors. Take a notice that the cloth interior is really nice and clean. It's got the recliner. It's got an armrest. The armrest is a cargo area too as well. Nice switches. They're all in good shape. There's no wear. And you know the mileage is just really nothing for this type of truck. This is a truck that could be used for work or play. Cassette player, AM, FM radio. It's also got 3 sets of keys. The back is used right now as a cargo. It can be folded up as a seat. You can see there, it's nice and clean inside and out. It's got a sliding glass window in the back, rear. Ventilated mirrors, windows in the back. Disc brakes in the back also as well. The underneath has been undercoated, mud flaps. Full length bed, this is a full size bed. F-250. Class 5 hitch with the full size spare underneath, mounted underneath. Also a lock for the back for the tailgate. And just take a notice, the trim is you got your pinstripe, tan pinstripe, and also moldings down at the bottom with the running boards. It's a good view of the truck here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up so you can see it from this side as well. The truck smells good, looks good. It looks like it just, like I said, just came out of a box. It's got a good clean Carfax. Two-wheel drive. Excellent type of RV puller for work or play. The interior is just impeccable. And here you go. Like I said, you can find us on the internet at southernstaroautomotive.net or 85cars.com. We're on the corner of Buford Highway and Pleasant Hill, 3695 Buford Highway. My name is David. Our phone number here is 678-473-0000. Come on over, folks, so we can put a smile on your face.